the group owner. So these are under commands we have already executed in the last class. So next we'll go with the next topic, that is the shell interpretive cycle. Shell interpretive cycle. Shell interpretive cycle. Yes, what do you mean by shell? Shell is a command prompt. So when it is open and terminal, so the first bit will going to free. So what is the meaning for shell? Command interpreter. Good. So it is a command interpreter. So why we are using the command interpreter? Convert the command to action. To convert the command into action. The system itself does not have the capability of converting the command into the action. So we are using the shell to convert from the whatever the command which is given by the user to the converted into the action. So now take the shell interpretive cycle. When you log on to the Unix machine, you first see a prompt.
Very important fees. Some of the students are paid only full amount and left only 5,000 or some amount in left. For them, we are not allowing for IA. Before IA, 1 day before the IA or 2 days before the IA, if you pay also, I don't know. Last moment, I can't give the attendance list to the respective exam coordinator. Whatever the list is, accordingly they will make the room management in which room the student has to come. 1 day before tomorrow's examination, today we pay, and you ask me to enter your name, I won't do. Last moment, I don't like to. Before only complete your basic details. Getting what I want to say. And that is for your good only, right? Because last moment you are paying the bill, you also don't know whether you later get or not. Confirmation from your side also won't be there properly. So anyway, you have to pay the fees. Pay it early so that all other pounds should not get to you. Getting what I want to say? So how many are there in this class? Please stand up. Those are not paid fees. 100%. 100% means 5,000 is also some amount pending. Please stand up. Please stand up. Next up. Don't wait. What is there? What is there? It is not marks. No. Those are paid stand up. If they say no. Boys. Kumara? Yeah. Okay. Anyone? Well, the only 2 girls are there, that's all. Last moment, see, to pay also, we are not away. So unnecessary attention to you and to me also. You will ask, sir, please enter my name for IA. I say, I am busy. I say, tomorrow you come, will see. I say, later you also come, whether later exam. Understanding? So boys, some are absent today. Girls, Navesh, who is Navesh? Please stand up. Some boys are there, they are not paid. For them, please give the information. Anyway, I've said in the Thank you.
Okay. When you log on to the Unix machine, you see a prompt. This prompt reminds they until you key is something. Until you key in something. So that is nothing but the shell. So for example, when you just log on to the Unix terminal or in the Unix machine, just look here. So until any key I'm going to press, so that is still remains same as it is, that we are going to call it as a shell. Next, take down. the following activities are performed by shell in its interpretive cycle. So now we are seeing that what do you mean by the shell and interpretive cycle. So as we know that shell is a prompt. So it will be remain same as it is until we are going to press any of the key. So that is nothing but the shell. So here we are going to see that what are the activities which will be going to be performed by this shell. Take the first point. The shell issues the prompt. The shell issues the prompt $, and wait for you to enter a command. So this is the first activity which is going to taken by the shell. So just it should be seeing on the terminal. So it should be stay back as it is until unless you're going to press any of the key. That is the first step which is will be going to be taken by the shell. Take the second point. After a command is entered, the shell scans the command line. The shell scans the command line for meta characters. And expand abbreviations. To recreate a simplified command line. Yes, look here. So this example will take here. So this is the shell prompt and written some of the command. So here, what is the second activity or the second point that shell will going to do? It will going to scan the complete command line. And it will scan for the if there any meta characters will be present there. So is any meta characters will be present in this command line? Look into this example. If any meta characters are present in this line, any meta characters are there? Huh? Yes, which is the meta character? Star is the meta character. So then what output can I expect from this? This already I have given the example and shown the execution also. What output can I expect from here? This job is the name of the file I am created. Now I am given the job star. Then what the output can I expect here? It will list all the file names that can be started from the job itself. Let me job 1, job 2, job 3, up to so on. If any of the file names, if it is started from the top, so all those file names will be listed. So that is what the working of this meta character. Take the third point. It then passes on the command line. To the kernel for execution. So in the first step, it will remain as it is until unless we're going to type any of the command. In the second, we'll given one command. So what will happen in the second step? What is the second step? What is shell will going to do? It stands for any meta character if there is present. So if the meta character is present, it has to give the output. So by segment is not possible to give the output. So here this shell, it is pausing the execution step, right? So this shell will pausing this command into the kernel.